Good afternoon, one and all. Effect of today's my oral presentation topic is effect of land degradation on and biodiversity in Nagpur city. I am Dr. Seema Kadu, Department of Zoology, Shivaji Science College, Nagpur. Topic This topic is very important topic where ants are important in below ground processes through the alteration of physical and chemical environment and through their effects on plant and microorganism. But today this scenario is totally different where the urban area shows maximum degradation of lands and ultimately these processes degrade the nesting habitat of ants. So here the abstract shows importance of ant in biogeochemical processes and pedological processes. Here introduction is related to the study where integrated landscape approach to promote research in human modified landscape affects directly on the dynamics and conservation of biodiversity of ant. Here ants are studied where ant fauna affects directly on the soil pedological processes. Here I have studied three important subfamilies Dolichoderinae, Myrmicinae and Formicinae. Among these ant species, some genera are very important and observed in rural and urban areas. Here, this study related to the rural study, where maximum soil nutrients in ant nest mound soil shows maximum concentration, while in urban areas, these concentration of soil micronutrient is decreasing. Material and method here experimental design is very simple. I have choose two different areas in rural areas and urban areas where the soil sample of ant mound soil collected and processed in the laboratory of college. These are the pictorial evidences where ant mound soil in rural areas shows high peak mounds while in urban areas it is somewhat sandy and due to land degradation it shows less micronutrients. This is the experimental setup. Now result and discussion. Survey of present study observed three ant genera where subfamily Myrmicinae, Dolichoderinae, Formicinae. These are important subfamilies observed in both the urban and rural areas. While in rural areas, these species are highly species variance or biodiverse or rich species richness is maximum in rural areas as compared to urban areas. Here I have choose U1 that means the soil sample collected from urban areas and R1 means soil sample collected from rural areas. This is the tabulated form of soil sampling where pH, nitrogen concentration, phosphorus concentration, sulfur concentration, potassium and carbon concentration in three different species variable shows variability, while in control areas it is as compared to the experimental plot it is less, while in rural areas the concentration of these micronutrient is maximum as compared to urban areas due to land degradation. Now this is the graphical representation where all this graph and bar graph shows maximum concentration and peak level of the concentration in the rural and urban areas. Now conclusion. Conclusion shows that due to the climatic changes, land degradation and concreting in urban areas, it is the result that the ant nest habitat gets degraded or less as compared to rural areas where maximum vegetation, green vegetation, plant dynamics, species richness of plants observed in rural areas as compared to urban areas. So this degradation of land in urban areas directly affect on the population and biodiversity of ant species. So if you um, if the people today the people should know about the importance of ant as a biological engineer, not only engineer but ant play important role in socio-economic development of agriculture field also. Thank you very much.